How to fix iPhone camera not working or black screen problem after iOS 27 update. First of all, open camera. Here, switch between mode to check if these are working properly. If none of these are working, then go back and close the camera app. After this, open settings. Here, check your internet connection. Make sure that your internet is working properly. Scroll down. Here, tap on General. Tap on iPhone. Tap on Software Update and update your iPhone software. Now go back. Scroll down. Here tap on privacy and security. Scroll down. Here tap on camera. Here make sure that camera is enabled for all the apps. Now go back. Now tap on screen time. Scroll down. Here tap on content and privacy restrictions. Scroll down. Here tap on camera and select allowed. After this go back, restart your device. After restarting your problem will be fixed. If the issue remains, then open settings again. Tap on general. Scroll down. Here tap on transfer or reset icon. Tap on reset and reset all the settings. After this your problem will be fixed.